Hello Glamorous, it's so great to be back, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I'll be making an entryway table using cardboard and plastic garden fences, so let's get started. Start off, I'll be using 2 strong cardboard boxes that I purchased from Home Depot. Next, I'll be measuring and cutting to the sizes that I need. I'll have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. And I cut 4 of the same size. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms linked below. So I'll be using white school glue and a paintbrush to glue my cutouts together. And for a better hold, I'll be adding masking tape. I repeated the same steps on the next and I made 2. I added weights for a stronger hold when drying. For all questions and requests, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Next, I'll be using 3 large painter sticks. The remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. To glue them onto the board, I added hot glue and then I placed them in position and I repeated the same steps on the next board. I added the painter stick so I might add more weight when using the table. Next, I'll be using 4 wooden rods and I already have some on hand already painted in silver and cut to size. Next, I'll be adding hot glue on one end on each rod and then I'll place them in position on all 4 corners. Once it was dry, I added a 2-inch screw on each rod and I repeated the same steps on the opposite end. And for better support, I took 2 wooden frame borders and I spray painted them in metallic silver and then I cut them to size and I screwed them on the back side of the table. Next, I'll be using 12 23-inch wide Dollar Tree plastic garden fences. We'll only be using the top part of the garden fences, so I'll be marking my placement so I'll have even cuts. And to make my cuts, I'll be using my soldering iron, and if you don't feel comfortable using a soldering iron, please ask for help. I'll bring back my table and I'll start adding my pieces onto the wooden rods with hot glue. And remember, the hot glue is Gorilla Glue. You may also use a staple gun or screws. I repeated the same steps on the sides, facing the opposite direction. And for a better hold, I went back and added more hot glue. I repeated the same steps on the top edge. I also went back with black zip ties and I added them in between the spaces of the fences. For the legs, I'll be using 4 traveling cuffs, and these cuffs are very, very strong. And I remove the lids, and then I'll be placing them upside down, and I'll be placing them in position. I was looking for long legs and height for my table, and these cups measure at 7 inches long each. Next, I'll bring back my table and I'll place it on top, and I'll be repositioning the cups, and then I'll remove the table. Once I was satisfied with my placement, I'll be adding hot glue to hold them in place. And for a better hold, I went back with 2-inch screws for each leg. For the side top edges, I took one fence and cut it into 2 pieces, and then I glued them on the sides. I also glued a fence on the bottom and on the sides as well. I also took 2 whole fences and measured the insides, and then I cut the sides, and I glued one on the top and one on the bottom. Turn the table onto the back side, and I'll be using these clamps to hold the fences in place while I glue them in place. Once I was done, I went back and reinforced everything with Gorilla Super Glue. Next, I took it to a well-ventilated area and spray painted 2 coats of metallic silver. Next, I'll be gluing on these 1-inch mirror tiles, and I'll be gluing them around each loop. Next, I'll be using mini self-adhesive Mosaic stickers, and I glue them around the edges on the top and on the bottom of the table. And on the side of the table where the fences meet, I glued on large iridescent gemstones. And for lighting underneath the table, I used 2 LED remote touch lights. And here is the finished look. This is a stunning and beautiful table and very budget friendly. And if you can see, I also added mirrors on top and the inside bottom. There are so many different ways you can incorporate these beautiful Dollar Tree garden fences into your home decor. This is a beautiful, glamorous entryway table with a Victorian style. Let's not forget the beautiful lighting that will bring into that special room in your home. Here's another Glamorous DIY long mirror wall decor that I made using the same fences, and I'll have this link below. I'm so excited to be back, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed creating it. Now, don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.